It's a 64 Buick LeSabre estate wagon. I bought it 7 years ago. Originated in Texas. It got sent to a dealer in South Carolina. That's where I bought it. My dad had one identical to it, and so that's one of the reasons that I bought it. The station wagons are very rare in 64, all years. The 64 was the only year that the large Buicks were put on the Wildcat platform. It's got a 425 cubic inch engine with 340 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. That's why it's a Wildcat 465. It's been restored partially. I wanted to leave as much originality as I could because I do drive it frequently. I drive it to all the shows. It's been to Hershey, it's been here, and I live in Virginia Beach, so it's a 6-hour clip pretty much to wherever I take it. The engine's been rebuilt, transmission's been rebuilt, but they are the original engine and transmission. The interior was redone. I got all the fabric and the panels from SMS Upholstery in Oregon. They do great work. So that was all done just like it rolled off the showroom floor. A couple of things on it that aren't, original, but that really couldn't be found. Steering box, I had to replace the carburetor. A few other things, but it's pretty much, original.
Yeah.
When it was painted, they took it down to the bare metal. I took all the trim off, took that home, polished it up, and brought it back. The paint shop removed the front clip, the doors, tailgate, and I had taken the door cards off so that they could spray the inside of the doors and everything. It's a lot of fun to drive. It loves gas stations frequently, but I get in it and I cruise on down the road 75 miles an hour. And it's, out of all the cars I've ever owned in my entire life, and I've had some nice ones, this is the best driving and best handling car I've ever owned. So
That's
it's
amazing.
a lot of fun to drive.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Appreciate
and
it.
Good luck with the judging.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's good meeting you.
Well, it's a 70 Challenger TA. It's they came with the 340 6-pack units in them. It's a California car, which has a little bit more emissions on them as compared to the rest of the United States type of deal. And so they run a different tubing in the trunk. They run a different gas tank, which has like tubes coming out of the side of the tank. And they got them. One of them runs up to the front into the breather cap. It's one of 7 in that color combination of what you see on it. I've done a bunch of stuff to it. I've changed out the mufflers because the mufflers underneath there, from the factory, they're supposed to be black, so they didn't have the right mufflers on, and they weren't painted black and everything like that. Side pipes on there that are on here now, I had to replace that. And a bunch of stuff in the interior and underneath the hood, detailing and stuff like that.
Oh, that's amazing. Well, a beautiful vehicle.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Hello, my name's Daniel Paulisel. This beautiful vehicle came from my wife. She surprised me with this car back in 2018. I was diagnosed with cancer. My son and her got together to make this dream come true. I wasn't supposed to be around. Cancer's all cured right now. They knew that I wanted Guardsman Blue. They knew that I wanted the 65. We knew the continuation. We had a friend who we've been down to his shop and he sells these. I wanted the 427 aluminum. It originally came with a cast iron, and it's got a few little upgrades. Like I said, the electronic fan over there is something a little bit different. So it's got a Tremec 5-speed on the inside, and I call it my go-kart on steroids on here. So it is just a blast, and the attention that it draws, I mean, just right here, from kids to grandparents to everybody, the car is just, you know, easily recognizable. And to be parked in between these two original Shelbys is just a treat for me, and their owners are just phenomenal. I got to talk with them and everything. So great meet. I enjoy speaking with everybody. So thank you for having me.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay.
That's amazing.
Hey, my name is Jeff Helms. This is a 1965 Chevelle Malibu SS 396. Z16 is the option code. They built 201 of these cars, and there's about 78 or 9 known to exist now.
Wow.
Still. This car is original paint, original interior, all original drivetrain. Very little has been changed on it other than the vinyl top's been replaced. Has the original window sticker, protector plate, and 2 broadcast sheets. So it's got all the documentation. This is the only one I know of that's original paint, original drivetrain from front to back, that's out being driven around. I drive it fairly regularly.
Worked for Carcraft magazine for 3 years. I was with NHRA for another 12 years. I hosted a TV show called Horsepower TV, and I had a Chevelle club with 10,000 members international. We put on 6 events around the country. So I've been immersed in cars forever, and the hobby's been very, very good to me. A lot of good people out here.
Right.
I love car people. I love coming to car shows. In fact, when I was watching on the screen earlier, the pastor gave the invocation and the prayer.
Yeah.
Love that. Also, the national anthem right behind it. So, yeah, I mean, I think that's what I was looking at, all the people around here and all the people that were paying attention when he was giving the prayer. And especially on the national anthem. I mean, they snapped to attention and saluted the flag and everything. So I just love this hobby, and I love the people. These aluminum heads, actually this stuff right in here was meant to be for a day 2 car that I was going to build. So it's original Chevrolet open chamber heads, a rare C427X intake. The carburetor is a L88 carburetor. And you know, a nice set of Survivor valve covers on it, and then on down through here, you know, just a lot of Holley stuff, factory kind of stuff. Z28 intakes here. This is a 70. This is 69. Got a couple of them down there, 67 to 68.
Carburetor.
Yeah, I'm eat up with Chevrolets, and I love the people and I love the hobby.
and I'm with Jegs in Columbus, Ohio, and we are here at the Charlotte AutoFair. We do auto parts, restoration, and anything that you need related to cars.
Hey everybody, I'm Pete Epple. I'm the event marketing manager with Jegs Performance. We're here at the Charlotte AutoFair with this super cool 1965 Chevy C10. As you can see, it's got a twin supercharged small block Chevy. The owner of this truck is Bradley Gray. He won our Jegs pick last year for Best of Show. We brought him out to have him in our booth for this year. He's gonna pick our winner for this year, and that'll be our booth car for next year. We're here in the Manufacturers Midway. If you sign up for our marketing emails, we're raffling off a $1,000 gift card. That's our #1 prize. Our second prize is gonna be a 52-inch toolbox, and our third place prize is gonna be a Jegs high performance aluminum jack with some jack stands. Come out and see us at the Manufacturers Midway at the Charlotte Auto Fair, and we'll get you signed up to win.
It goes along, 35, so 35, thank you, sir. That's goes to 56.